Summer is here, so that means dusting off the barbecue, getting together with family and friends for great outdoor gatherings filled with food and with fun. And today we are grilling up some delicious skewered meats, plus a tabbouleh salad, one of my favorites for your next summer event. And by the way, if you want any of these recipes, you can scan the QR code on the screen and get them right on your phone. Right now, I'm joined on the patio with cooking expert, Chef Suzanne Husseini, who is giving us the rundown on how to start these amazing skewers. Welcome to the patio.
Thank you so much.
We're having our own party in
Yes,
here.
indeed.
What are we making today?
We're making two types of meats on skewers. In Arabic, it's called sikh lahm.
Okay.
Sikh meaning skewer.
Yeah.
Okay. And chicken is tawouk. Okay. Basically, I've marinated these the day before with citrus and spices and lemon.
So that's all in there.
It's all infused.
Good.
So that's ready. You can do this ahead of time, have it all ready, and barbecue it on the day that you want to barbecue.
Okay. So you have a big holiday coming up this weekend.
Yes,
right?
indeed.
Yes,
Exactly.
You've got 30 people coming to your house. You said you can't
30
wait.
people. Yeah, the more the merrier. I love it.
And this is a good recipe to make for a big crowd. Why?
Absolutely. Because you can do it in advance and you can customize it. Somebody who doesn't like meat, they can eat chicken. You can put more or less of whatever, and then all the sauces are fun to eat along with as well.
Okay, let's talk about the sauces, right? Once we're all ready to go,
Yes.
what have you prepared for us?
Here I have something we call in Arabic toum, which is basically a garlic sauce.
Yeah.
Really a lot of garlic, and that goes with the chicken.
So everybody needs to eat this, so
Absolutely.
we're all comfortable. Okay,
Exactly.
great.
So that you
good.
can talk to one another.
That's right.
And then this is a citrus tahini sauce, which is made with a sesame butter, lemon juice, orange juice, and a little bit of garlic, and it's creamy, and it's made to go with lamb.
Ooh, okay.
You have to have it with lamb. You can't do the other way around.
I mean, I'm not the expert cook here. How long do we need to leave these on the barbecue?
These will take anywhere between 15 minutes to cook because they're boneless.
Yeah.
Okay. And they're cut into cubes that are all the same size. So they will cook evenly.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you notice in between my skewered meats, I also have some apricot. Ooh. So you get a little bit of sweetness along with the meat, which is very typical Arabic food. This is what we do.
I love that you put the fruit with it and not just the traditional veggie. That would be great.
Yeah.
Can we move some of those skewers off and try them with the sauces?
Absolutely.
How do you plate that?
Well, I'm just going to pick them up because these I cooked in advance, obviously. I have some sage bread here. This is a lovely way just to serve it.
And what is sage bread for people who aren't familiar?
It is really, really thin, paper-thin bread, okay, that is cooked on a special sage. It's like an upside-down wok.
Oh, I see. Okay, so it's got that thinness to it.
Exactly.
And then we'll try some of this with the sauces, but I want to get to your tabbouleh salad.
Yes.
It's one of my favorites because of the freshness, but your presentation is beautiful.
Well, thank you. Tabbouleh is known that it's, I like to call it a diva salad. It makes an appearance at the very last minute. You have to mix it at the very last minute. And it's basically a parsley salad that has tomatoes and onions in it. And then these are endives. So you basically pick up your endive just like this. And voila, you've got a spoon and a bite all in one. Great party food.
So good. It's so fresh. It's diva approved for sure. Can we try some of this?
Yes, indeed. Now, this is what I like to do is the same bread, just break off a piece and then just very carefully.
It's nice and thin.
Yep. I'm going to actually grab a piece of meat because the skewer is hot, just like that, and then dip it in the garlic.
Okay, you do the garlic.
That's the chicken.
I'm gonna do the...
Okay. You do the tahini.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'll do a little
so we can eat on air, no problem, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, sister. There's never not an opportunity to eat on air.
It's good if I do say so myself.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
I love this. I love it. So good. And the apricot there, too. Amazing.
Yep.
This is where it gets rude.
I know.
Suzanne, thanks for joining us on the show. To find these recipes, you can scan them on our QR code or check out our social media pages. I'm going to keep chewing and
keep on chewing.
You.
Yes.
Happy Eid.
Thank you. Happy Eid to you. Eid Mubarak.
We'll be right back. We are having an early party here
indeed.
right now because
It's a
Chanel is
kitchen
joining us,
party.
Kelsey's joining us. Those grilled apricots are so delicious.
Jammy and sweet, and with the meat, they're perfect. Yeah, and dip it in the tahini.
I'm getting in here.
Yes.
Okay, you're going to do that? I'm going to do this. You also brought a dessert you wanted to share with us.
Yes, this is classic. During Eid and Christmas and Easter, we make something called ma'moul in the Arab world. And this is buttery pastry that is filled with dates. It could be pistachios, or it could be dates, but today I brought you a little gift.
Thank you. And the presentation's beautiful.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
I love the pistachio idea, too.
And we say in Arabic, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, which means a blessed Eid.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is phenomenal.
Thank you for sharing this feast with us.
Good.
Thank you.
Reminder that I feel so rude. I'm like,
Oh, no, it's okay. Eat, enjoy.
The recipes are all up, of course, on our social media pages and the QR code that you will find. Thanks so much for joining us for the rest of this morning. Do you have a favorite, guys?
This is
I love
phenomenal.
that. Isn't it so
Tabbouleh?
good?
Yeah,
So
this is
good.
phenomenal.
With the endives, I never thought to serve it that way.
Yes, and it has to be fresh. Anything that sits in a supermarket shelf, walk away.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Give us one more tip. Lamb always with.
Lamb with tahini, chicken with garlic. Never the other way around, ever.